What is exhibition? In freight forwarding industry, this word exhibition means the demonstration of a skill. What is exhibition as freight forwarding? Often, they're just different ways of describing the same thing. The handling, delivery, and storage displays display these services that are collectively known as event or exhibition good handling. Exhibition goods handling demands shipment of goods without damages. Our staff handles all kinds of goods of all sizes and variations. We offer services like shipping, bulk cargo, loose cargo, full container loads, break bulk, as also handling shipments at inland container depots. The great appeal of exhibition goods handling is in fact what simplifies the process.